Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining our digital conference today. It's a challenging, turbulent time for the automotive sector. The whole industry is changing before us, and Kia is actively innovating, tackling these challenges head-on and turning them into opportunities. Coronavirus hasn't made things any easier for the automotive industry. Geneva Motor Show was cancelled, and even I am now connecting with you from Madrid instead of being with my colleagues in Germany because of the travel restriction caused by coronavirus. Nevertheless, I wanted to have the opportunity of presenting to you myself and to give you the chance to experience the new Kia Sorento already before it goes on sale in the summer. Electrification is a new normal, and it's happening faster than we think. We are increasing the pace of our efforts to put Kia at the forefront of this change, transforming from ICE to electrified engines. Kia was the first car maker in Europe to offer hybrid, mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and battery electric powertrains at the same time in its product lineup. And by 2025, we will have 11 fully electric cars on sale. Our rapidly expanding range of electrified vehicles has given a major boost to the customer interest in our cars. Today, after 17 years of heritage and continuous evolution, we reveal the fourth generation of the successful Kia Sorento. And of course, it's electrified. The new Sorento will be available as an hybrid when European sales begin this summer, with launch starting in our largest European markets first. Furthermore, the first Sorento plug-in hybrid will follow at the end of the year with lower running costs, more driving range, and greater fuel efficiency. We will also offer an efficient diesel powertrain to complement these new electrified versions. Designed and engineered to take on all possible requirements, the new Sorento is built on a new platform for more space and versatility. I will soon pass the word to Gregory Guillaume, Vice President Design, Kia Motors Europe, to tell you more about the new Sorento. But let's get first a good look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce the new Kia Sorento.
Thank you for that introduction, Emilio, and good afternoon, everyone. I am honored to introduce you to the new Kia Sorento. We wanted to do it already at the Geneva Motor Show, but as you all know, circumstances made that impossible. So let's try again this way. The Sorento has been a consistently important model for us at Kia. It presents our ambition to challenge ourselves and provide the best of what we can do to our customers. This all-new fourth generation Sorento is very much about that ambition to excel. At Kia, we strive to provide the best and most intuitive experiences to our customers and users. The all-new Sorento is designed to be a trusted guide, as well as an exciting partner in our customers' varying lifestyles. Looking at the exterior, the design team not only developed traditional Kia Sorento values like power, ruggedness, and strength, but through the refined, thoughtful surfaces and clear, precise lines, we were able to create a bold character with a determined presence. Kia proposes unique movement with its signature headlamps. With the new Sorento, the Tiger Eye line conveys this strong presence and wild feeling. Its dynamic and high-tech character is expressed through the daytime running lights, which are connected with the grille's outer shape. Crystal flake details applied to the front grille and headlamps complete the stylish look. The Sorento's long hood gives the SUV a dynamic profile, while the sculpture-like front and rear create a futuristic SUV image. The slanted D-pillar maintains the impactful appearance of the Sorento's daylight opening. Sportiness is emphasized through the shark fin C-pillar trim. The new and imposing rear completes Kia's new midsize SUV signature. The vertical rear combination lamps contrast with the horizontal, wide, and three-dimensional shapes and details, creating a stronger presence. Kia has used a functional emotions form language to inject power and intuitive technology into the interior design. Features have been inspired by a masculine body and spacecraft in sci-fi movies. The interior design is brought to life by designers' creative imaginations and offers new customer experiences through intuitive usability. The Sorento's interior design presents unique features and details, complementing the SUV's dynamic profile and high-tech feeling. Lighting beneath the chrome highlights on the dashboard creates a unique eye-catching feature for the new Sorento, which uses new technologies to add a sense of sophistication and surprise to the cabin. The Sorento suggests a new direction for SUVs with its generous interior space. It showcases Kia's future SUV direction through emotional and cutting-edge technologies. And now then, we're just about ready to move on to our short Q&A session. I'd like to thank all those who have already submitted questions to us. And for those who still have a question in mind, you can easily do it by leaving your question in the comments below. And hopefully, my colleagues Pablo Martinez, Kia Motors Europe's Director for Product Marketing and Pricing, and Duarte Ramalho, Kia Motors Europe's General Manager for Product Marketing, will be able to answer you. But first, let's have one quick look at the new Kia Sorento in action.
I don't think time could take away the bad, not